Hi everyone, this is Mike with the Geneva on the Lake condo. Just want to go over how to use the TVs and a couple other things. Get a lot of questions about these TVs. Here I am sitting in the family room, and if you take the biggest remote here, it's the Spectrum remote, and you click, it's not all systems on, this top left button, pointing at the TV. It'll turn both the television and the cable box on. You'll know the TV's on because the red light turns blue. And then you know the cable box is on because the two white dots will be illuminated. Then you just go through and click your channels up and down. The volume will work. Once in a while, this will only register with either one of the two devices, so you'll have the TV on and the cable box off, or vice versa. So when that's the case, you just would press, if the TV was off and the cable box was on, you would press the TV and just power the TV on, and you could see the cable box stayed on. And then to just turn the cable box off, you would press the cable box there and just the right power button. You see the two white lights go off there. If you want to watch a DVD, you take the TV remote. This remote only operates the TV. You would have the TV on, and then on the TV remote, you would go to input, and you're going to switch it to HDMI 2. And this right here, this small remote, is the Blu-ray and DVD player. So you just use the power on and then whatever buttons to operate the Blu-ray. But back to the TV here, if you go source, the source button here, and then you go down to HDMI 2, that'll get you to the Blu-ray player. And then here you would just click OK on the Blu-ray remote, and that would get you to the home screen of whatever DVD it is that you've popped in there. Yeah, little Madagascar for the kids. Yeah, sometime once in a while the internet will go out. So here we've got the router here and the cable box here. What I've found works best is, and this rarely happens, but unplug the power here, the cable here, wait at least 5 minutes, then re-plug in the cable here, wait about a minute, and then plug the power back in there. And then the TVs in the bedrooms operate the same way as the one in this room, except the master TV is the HDMI 3 input, I believe, and the spare bedroom is the only HDMI input it has, which I believe is HDMI 1. And then just a quick view of what we do have in the kitchen. People do ask, do you have this appliance, that appliance? We have both a Keurig and a drip coffee maker. As far as utensils go, we have a fully functioning dishwasher here. We do have a fair amount of pots and pans for light cooking. If you're a foodie that likes, that does real extensive cooking, you might want to, and this is pretty much what we've got. Yeah. A set of knives there, and then Yeah, we got some mixing stuff. Spice rack over there, and then plenty of plates and dishes and stuff. Yeah. And then I'm just gonna pop over here to the master shower. Oh, these light switches. This comes up quite a bit. These are light switches. You just tap once, that'll turn them on. And this is also a dimmer, so if you press and hold, it'll dim. I'm just holding on there. But one tap will turn them on and off, and then if it's too bright or too dim, you just tap and hold. Yeah, so then over here in the master shower, obviously not going to turn this on, but to adjust the temperature here, you got to press in with your thumb and turn, and it shows you right there the various different temperatures you could have. And then these three knobs operate the shower hat is one of them, and I don't remember which one's which. Another one of these knobs operates these four side ones, and then the third one operates this handheld one that you can pull out and use. And I think that is going to cover all of the questions I normally get. Yeah, if you use this spare bathtub here and you turn the jets on, after it's done, it will, after you've turned the water off and drained it, about 10 minutes after you're done, it'll blow air through those lines to blow all the water out. So you might be watching TV or something and hear that kick on. That's pretty normal. Yep, okay, that'll do it. Have fun. As always, if you need anything, just shoot me a message. I usually can get back to you pretty quick. Thanks.